Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. For those who are already subscribed, thank you for coming back to view another video. This vlog is going to be exclusively for cruise essentials for kids. Now, I do have a few things missing, but this is just my suggestion as to some very must-haves when you're traveling with a toddler on a cruise or any type of long vacation. So I'm going to start this way. So this is one of Deuce's swimsuits, and it has a long sleeve rash guard, which is good for one, rashes, and also keeping the sun away. And then it's a matching top and the trunks. I also suggest bringing a blanket. This one is just super cute. It has a lot of our family photos on it. But in case it gets super cold or drafty, we're flying on a plane, and then we're also, we'll be in the room. So this is just something to have as a just in case. I also suggest with chilly evenings to have some type of hoodie or sweater. Deuce is in the process of potty training. We have mastered number 1. We have not mastered number 2. So just in case, we have about 40 something days before we go. So I will be taking a case of pull-ups and also a pack of wipes. Now it was just time for us to buy Deuce more pull-ups and wipes anyway. I'm still debating on whether I'm going to purchase before we leave or just pick these up when we go to Walmart, because we'll be going to Walmart to pick up pop and juice anyway. So we'll see. It might save time just to, not time, but room in the luggage to just pick that up in Florida. I am also packing some polos just so he can kind of be casual dressy for dinner. He has one more. I haven't pulled it out yet, but this is one of his formal night outfits. Our 6-day cruise has 2 formal nights, so he'll have that. I am packing, this is literally a bag full of bags. So this has some small garbage bags, it has some quart-sized bags, and it has gallon bags. Just in case you have to bring anything wet, any dirty clothes to bring back and pack in the suitcase, so they're not touching anything that may be clean that you didn't use. I do know that they have a laundry facility on board, but who wants to do laundry while you're on vacation? But it is there as an option. I just choose to wrap them up in plastic bags and then bring them back to wash them at home. This basket is full of a ton of stuff, and I'll go through it. So this is pretty much all of his toiletries, and they are labeled. He's got aloe vera in case anything happens with the sun. He's got lotion, he's got shampoo, and he's got body wash. And I got this set from Walmart, and it comes with a cute little label. Some of them are already custom printed, and then they do have some blank ones where you can label them yourself. Some of these items also, let me give this disclosure, you may have seen in my 90-day video, so I apologize if anything of this is duplicate. So he's got a pair of sunglasses. He's got a water bottle to take off into the port, and then also maybe when we're out of the room. We've got a tiny first aid kit that's got Band-Aids, it's got gauze, and it's also got some hand cleansing wipes. And then I'm also taking an extra bag of Band-Aids and alcohol pads. I am taking Benadryl. This is the Walmart brand of Benadryl. I am taking Tylenol. I've also got an individual pack of wet ones just to keep in his book bag in case his hands need to be wiped down or anything needs to be wiped down. He's got individual packs of swim diapers. Each one of these has 2 in it. I got these. The Dollar Tree here in Chicago sells these. I'm not sure whether they're available at every location, but they were $1 a piece. Or you can just buy the multi-pack. It's always good to purchase these around this time of year since summer is over, so they are discounted. I got a night light from the dollar store as well. The staterooms get really, really dark. So I don't want him to wake up by chance if he wakes up in the middle of the night. I don't want him to be intimidated by the room being so dark. Disinfectant wipes to wipe every surface down in the room. I know the rooms come clean, rest assured, but still I wanted to have my mommy touch. He's got a new set of toddler toothpaste and a new toothbrush that we'll take with us. And again, this is one of those things that once it's open and out of the pack, I'll put it in one of those Ziploc bags that I'm packing. Got some other tools. I'm bringing a thermometer, nail clipper, and then also some hydrocortisone. Deuce has really bad eczema, so I keep that on standby in case he has a flare-up. I am also bringing some more cleaning tools. This is a bottle of dishwashing liquid, a sponge, and then those are also some small little sponges on a stick. Now the purpose of these is for one, to clean that water bottle that I showed you. Also, what is not in here is I'm bringing his plastic toddler utensils. I am not 100% comfortable with him using metal silverware, so I'll be bringing that. So that'll give me the opportunity to wash those. And then also we've got a deluxe ocean view, which has a tub. So I will also use some of the dishwashing liquid to clean the surface of the tub along with the disinfectant wipes. And then while I'm talking about more cleaning stuff, I also have disinfectant spray. Can never be so careful. This is going in Deuce's book bag on the for the plane. Again, we're from Chicago, so we'll be flying to Florida. And it will have 2 coloring books, a pack of crayons, this Paw Patrol activity set that he got, I think, for Easter, and we haven't touched it yet. It's got some race cars, and then I got this little puzzle and where he can match shapes and colors and everything. So all of this stuff literally came from the dollar store, very cheap and inexpensive. And then I will be bringing him his own washcloths. I know that the ship has them, but I like that he'll have like the soft material that's washed in his detergent, because I still use the baby detergent on him. And then lastly, I think I've gone over everything. Lastly, this is going to be his snack bag that I'm going to have to hide from him. But it has a box of fruit snacks in it. It has these Scooby-Doo snacks, which are like cinnamon crackers. And then at the very bottom, I'm not going to pull all of them out, but it's like a variety pack of cookies. I mean, not cookies. It does have cookies in it, but it's got peanut butter crackers. It's got vanilla creams, and I think it also has some plain cheese crackers, and it may have something else in it. The things that are not pictured will be, like I said, we'll be going to Walmart to get a box of like Capri Suns or Kool-Aid Jammers, just so he can have those. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I haven't put out. I think that's about it. His outfits are not laid out here, but I'll be bringing probably about 10 shirt and short combos. Also some pajamas with the pants and the long sleeve. Again, in case it gets really cold. You can control your own temperature in your room, but I'd rather him be hot and I can delayer him than him to be cold. And just some other items. Like I said, the clothing items are not here, other than what I showed you with the polos and the dress clothes. So I have to pack his water shoes, his dress shoes, his gym shoes, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, there you have it. This is my cruise essentials for toddlers. If there's anything that you think that I've missed or you would suggest me packing, feel free to put it in the comments. And again, I thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.